Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you're gonna be seeing me unbox my first ever Samsung watch. So here, as you can see, I bought this watch off of eBay, and I'm just basically trying to open the box and get my watch. Also, after many months of trying to have a schedule that I post videos on, I've decided that Friday at 9 p.m. is a perfect time. For the rest, I'm just gonna leave you to it. That's the charger.
Oh wow.
I also have something in here, but I'm gonna try to get it out. So here's the charger, and then here's the watch. So tell you how much. It's 98%, almost 100. Just finished reapplying my nail polish. The watch is 99%. I just looked at it, but you could guys see here. And we're just waiting for the nail polish to dry and for the watch to finish charging. I bought some accessories for the watch, so let's unbox. These are watch bands that come in 4 different colors. These come in this magenta color, black, baby pink, and off-white. The colors look so different in camera, but I promise they look so good in real life. So notice how these are rubber. I decided to get another one that is more comfortable and it's more fabric than these. So I got this one. This one is this fabric. It's stretchy and it's kind of like the color in between these two. I also bought this clear case for the watch itself. This protects it from any scratches. As you can see, it already did protect it from a lot of tiny scratches. But yeah, also the watch functions just fine with this on. I also installed a few games on it, like this dinosaur game where you basically jump with the dinosaur. So yeah, you just basically jump with the dinosaur and it's pretty fun if you're bored. So yeah, these are just some fun games that I installed. And that's it, you guys. I'm so happy and excited to try everything new out. And that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.